Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Acrobat to edit PDFs. First, open your desired PDF document within the application. Once loaded, navigate to the right-hand pane and locate the Edit PDF tool. Click on this tool to activate the editing mode. Now, you can easily select any text or image element on your document that you wish to modify. This initial step prepares your document for all subsequent edits, making the process straightforward and efficient for any user. Once in editing mode, modifying text is quite simple. Just click directly on the text you want to change. A bounding box will appear, allowing you to type new content or delete existing words. Look to the Format pane on the right. Here you'll find options to adjust the font style, size, and color. You can also add entirely new text boxes or remove any that are no longer needed, giving you complete control over your document's written content. Beyond text, Adobe Acrobat empowers you to easily manipulate images and other objects. Select an image to reveal options for resizing, rotating, or even replacing it with a different graphic. The Objects tool allows you to insert various shapes, lines, or other graphical elements to enhance your document. You can also arrange these elements by bringing them forward or sending them backward, ensuring your visual layout is exactly as you envision it, with precise control over every detail. After making all your desired edits, it's crucial to save your work. Simply go to File and select Save or Save as to preserve all your changes. Adobe Acrobat also offers robust export capabilities, allowing you to convert your PDF into popular formats like Microsoft Word, Excel, or even PowerPoint. Finally, you can effortlessly share your polished document directly from within the application, sending it via email or through cloud services, making collaboration incredibly convenient and fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.